you show to the camera.
Wow, it's so awesome. Yeah, that's right.
The road runners.
The
What are the road runners?
The road runners are baby birds.
Baby birds.
Yeah, and they like to eat soft, sweet worms.
Worms?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mama's reading them.
Read. Oh, wow. What is she doing?
He's collecting sticks.
Collecting sticks?
By the old house.
With the old house. Okay.
And
what is he doing?
What is this?
What is that? Oh, what is he doing? Why is he collecting sticks?
Catechism.
Huh?
Catechism.
No, why is he collecting sticks? For what?
For catechism.
Catechism. For the nest.
For the nest.
Yeah, he's doing a nest.
Mommy, what is this?
What's this? This is a cactus.
Cactus.
Yeah, cactus.
Oh, I remember now. Cactus.
Yeah, what is a cactus?
Cactus is prickly. I know. Oh, I remember now. Cactus.
Oh, prickly.
Yeah, it's prickly. Look.
Oh.
I'm touching it.
Oh.
I can feel it.
You can feel it.
It's spiky.
It's spiky. Okay.
Look what he's doing. Look, it's raining.
It's raining, yeah. What are they doing?
And Daddy Bird was having an idea.
Oh, okay.
And I know.
What's the idea?
And he can fly well.
He can fly, yeah. He can fly well. The road runners cannot fly.
He just run.
He just run. That's why they're called road runners.
Like me.
Oh, can I see? Oh, galing ah. Like that. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay. Wow.
Mommy, I can see.
You can see.
Mommy, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 lizards.
4 lizards.
I can see 4 lizards.
Lizards, 4 lizards. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah, and he's getting the baby bird, and there's something else. A baby bird.
A baby bird.
Yeah.
Okay. For the baby bird, she's grabbing snacks for the baby birds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's 1 baby bird.
Okay. Well, what's happening here?
Look, there's some worms.
Okay.
I don't want to.
That's for the
birds.
For the baby birds.
But birds like seeds.
Birds like seeds? Are you sure?
Oh, that's worms for our birds.
Okay. Yeah, birds can eat the worms, insects, and seeds.
They're hatching.
They're hatching already.
And 3 are not hatching.
The 3 are not hatching.
Yeah,
the only one hatching? Oh.
Yeah.
How many eggs are hatching?
Just 1.
Just 1. And the others
are not packing.
are not
Packing.
Okay.
They're not packing.
Whoa!
And look, and they're feeding. And just, I don't have them baby birds. And just, I want to have some worms too.
Oh,
But
okay.
we don't have one. And just then, they're called moose. Like that.
Wow.
It's saying moose. Like that.
Okay.
Did someone say moose? And he said, did someone say moose?
Yes. That's a moose.
And he walked to the forest.
Okay, what is it doing here? What's it doing here now?
And they're sleeping.
They're
And he's-
sleeping now.
Oh, I'm sleepy. Oh, I'm sleepy.
They're sleeping now.
And
And
look,
then,
it's nighttime, and the stars are talking.
oh, it's nighttime already. Yeah.
Open this.
Okay. And
They're flying.
then they're flying now, eh? Very good.
And they
Yeah.
eat some yummy worms.
Mm-hmm.
And they feel some strong and run. And then they can fly now.
Very good.
They run and fly.
Good job. The end.
Like me.
Can I see you running? Ooh.